where I'm going to put the wrap on the headlights like I've been wanting to. I've had these for like over a year now, actually, and I just never took the time to go buy a heat gun and like the other stuff I need to apply it. And I figured, why not? Why not just throw it on this car just because I have it? I want to see how they look anyways. So I keep seeing like all the rainbow stuff on people's headlights. I always think they're pretty cool. So you'll need a heat gun. These little things, I don't know. I don't really recommend the plastic. In my last video when we did the wrap on the Miata, we used one with a ballpoint felt. I don't know what it was called exactly, but it was something like that. It made it a lot easier. These will work, I just don't. It's going to be a little more difficult. And then I'm going to take off my bumper today because I don't know if you can see it on camera, but the cracks, this is getting worse. I'm getting cracks up here. I'm getting cracks over here. It's just falling apart. Oh, I got cracks down here. Yeah, it's just falling apart. So I'm just going to take it off and then drive without a bumper. But first I want to get these on and then I'll take off the bumper. Alright, so I actually just moved my camera just because when I pulled out the extension cord, it was like getting tangled up. I really would not be happy if this fell over and my camera broke. But I got the heat gun plugged in. I'm going to get the first wrap started on this. I'm going to mess everything up, but it's going to maybe look cool. I don't know. We'll see. So just to have it fit perfectly, I have to like angle it diagonally. I bought these for my Supra, so like I didn't really buy like, you know, a big sheet of it because my Supra, the thing was like 7x5, you know, pop-up headlights and everything. Z headlights are a little bit longer, obviously, so this is gonna be very, very tight and not in a good way. Well, because I'm a very optimistic person, I'm going to say that is my best job for the first time. And other people are going to think differently. But it looks terribly good. Yeah. Look at all those bubbles. Awesome. Well, could be worse. Alright, well the sun's in my face, so I'm going to just hold this right here. I'm going to do the second side now, and hopefully do a little bit better than the other side. My guess is I'll probably just leave these on for, I don't know, maybe a week, and then I'll just peel them off. Like I said, I bought them a year ago, so I'm not like worried about them. But I wanted to install them and just see what, you know, how they look. So let's do the second one, and not as crappy as the first one. Well, god damn this sun. The sun's a dick, and I actually mocked it up a little bit better this time. So hooray for me. Well, I learned a lot today. I'm gonna punch a hole right there, just kind of slide the blade across. I'm just gonna rip the paint off my bumper. Oh wait, why do I care? That's right, I'm taking this bumper off in a minute. Hey, you know what? It's not, ow, damn, that's hot. The second side is definitely way better than the first side. It looks pretty cool, but I could have done a way better job on that first side. Oh well, I'm learning. The best way to learn something is to really suck at it and just keep doing it and keep sucking until you do it really, really good. There's a lot of bubbles in these, so it's probably just me sucking really hard, but I don't know. To me, they turned out great. Hey, everything you do for the first time, it's your best time at the time, if you think about it. This is the best work you've ever done for the very first time. It's just a really nice way of saying you suck. And then it just pops it out like that. Fuck, get out. Get out of my house! That works. Gross. I don't know what that is. It doesn't taste good. Oh, God, stop spitting shit in my face. One down. Oh my god. There's more bolts? Who would have thought? Eat ass, skip class. Ow! Bastard. Well, okay, that worked. Hi, my name is AJ, and I am selling this 2007 Nissan OEM bumper. It's barely been used, almost no damage at all, like zero. I'm wanting about $150,000 for it, and it says that it can give your car over 1,000 horsepower. So, first come, first serve. Pretty firm on price too. That's that for that. The pink looks alright. Bumper, geez, son, let's knock it off. We'll deal without the bumper for a while, I guess. It's fine. Like I said, I'm gonna get another bumper anyways. I've been meaning to. I gotta get another hood too, so, you know, the accident and everything. But it is what it is, and the car still drives, so I'm thankful for that. But yeah, anyways, that's it for today. Really, like I said, really great job for a first time. A really nice way of saying, yeah, could have done better, and you suck. But yeah, we'll just leave it at that. I'll do it again with a different color. I don't like the pink. I bought the pink by accident, actually, when I was shopping originally. So, oh well. Anyways, I will see you guys all in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and head over to TunerZen.com. We have the t-shirts, the Smoke 'em If You Got 'em t-shirts, both in black and gray for $20. And I'll see you guys all later. And I'm tired of the sun.